This is a quick all you need to know review and demo of the Aarke Carbonator 3. I am someone that values both functionality and style, so that's why this was the perfect pick for me when it comes to a carbonator. Before using it, you insert the CO2 carbonator refill cylinders under the bottom of the carbonator. I change the cylinder about every 20 or 30 days for a single household that use the carbonator every day. I recommend to press it 3 times to get the right amount of a good carbonated seltzer water. I always keep 2 or 3 bottles of cold water in the refrigerator, so when I want to use the carbonator, I just take it out and it's already cold. This is a product I use every day, so I can confidently say that it is really good and I can truly recommend it.